Guys, as I told you earlier so many times that you can get everything done by Dr. Rana Irfan, means by me. And we are doing the same thing here with this gentleman. I excised all the grafts and I'm putting them back, okay? And we are doing this with implanters. These are sharp implanters, and we are putting them back safely, and this gives you the almost 100% survival rate. That's why we have been fighting for that, and I would prefer it to be done by the doctor if you can afford it. And it is very cheap, like as I told you earlier so many times, it is $1.50 only for one graft, and everything will be done by me, Dr. Rana Irfan. Thank you very much.